Divorce is rarely something people see coming. And when it does happen, it can feel like the ground disappears beneath you. I'll never forget a woman I met. Let's call her Mary. She'd spent most of her life as a stay-at-home mom, and her husband had always handled the finances. Then, in her late 50s, she suddenly found herself going through a divorce, and she was completely on her own. We first met through a financial education course. She was doing her best to learn, but it was really clear that she just felt blindsided, and honestly, she was a little embarrassed that she just didn't know more. And it wasn't because she wasn't smart. It was because she had trusted someone else to take care of it all these years. Eventually, though, Mary became a client. She had a $2 million divorce settlement, and that was the money she had to build the rest of her life. We spent some time reviewing what she received and deciding what to keep, what to reposition, and how to start fresh with everything that's now in her name. We updated her estate plan, we talked through taxes, income, and investments. And we walked through things at her pace, breaking down financial terms so they felt more manageable to her. Over time, she just didn't get through it, she took control. She made confident decisions, and she found her footing again. If you're facing something similar, you don't have to figure it out alone. Let's talk about what's next and how we can walk through it together, one step at a time.